By the grace of Allah, on Sunday the 29th of November, the Nasiratul Ahmadiyya Department Ireland held an online Ta'aleem and Tarbiyat workshop. Nasirat were taught about the need and blessings of Khilafat, the purpose of Khilafat, and the means by which we can attain closeness to our beloved Huzur. Selected clips from Huzura Anwar's classes with Nasirat were shown. Nasirat were taken through a refresher on the Arabic alphabet, as well as the rules of Tatilul Quran. This was followed by a fun and interactive Urdu time section, in which Nasirat learned about the letters of the Urdu alphabet. During the lockdown period, Nasirat had been given the task to carry out activities and present them as a chart to their secretaries. During the workshop, some of those activity charts were shown to Nasirat. There was also an online exhibition of art created by the Nasirat on the previously given topic of Beauty of Allah's Creation. Concluding remarks were given by the National Sadr Sahiba, in which she encouraged mothers to continue ensuring that their daughters attend such programs. She then led participants and attendees in silent prayers. Alhamdulillah, Nasirat attendance was 91%. Feedback from the event was very positive. May Allah enable Nasiratul Ahmadiyya Ireland to follow the instructions of Huzur Anwar, may Allah be his helper, to be a true Ahmadi Muslim. Ameen.